Hey guys, welcome back to Android Gamer, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to live stream mobile games to YouTube and Twitch just like pro on Android and iOS. And if you don't know that pro live streamers use OBS for their streams, but there is no OBS for Android and iOS, and the YouTube gaming app also sucks because streams with YouTube gaming app buffers a lot and it really put a lot of load on your device. And in this video I'm gonna introduce you with the app called Duo Screen Recorder. You probably installed this app in your device for recording your screen, but it is a feature to live stream in this app. And please watch the video to the end and don't touch this video because you really can miss a lot of things in the video. And before I start, I want you to please like this video because it will help me to stay motivated on YouTube, and subscribe to my channel for amazing content like this. Video music is given by Trap Remix. Check out his channel for amazing trap beats and remix. If you don't have this app, I will put a download link in the description. So when you open this app, you have to go to the live stream section and click on live, and you can live stream on YouTube, Twitch or Facebook, and even all of these social media together. And when you have to just log in with your account in which you want to live stream. And after this, a space something like this will open up. You can add titles to your live stream and even the description. So you should write this title and the description so that people can get information about your stream. And you can also set public to your live stream or unlisted, and you can also set the category for your live stream. So basically this thing can help your live stream to reach more people if you specify the app or game which you are live streaming. For example, I click on Clash of Clans because I'm gonna live stream this game. And you have to go to the settings to check your live stream settings. You can set the resolution according to your connection, and there's a live stream literacy. So basically this thing optimize your live stream, so you have to choose this according to that. And you can also set the thumbnail to your live stream, so you just have to choose the image which you want to live stream and set that image as your live cover. And you can also set a live stream pause image. So basically if you see the live streams of pro streamers, a starting page like live stream is starting soon, you can add that by just pausing initially. And you can share this live stream to multiple social medias. And you can when you're done with this setting, you can go to the tool settings, just a second one on the top, and you can just set the donation information. And basically you have to enter your PayPal account in which you want to get donation, and you can set the limit, actually minimum or maximum amount that you want to get donate. And you will also get a donation link in the app. You just have to copy that donation link and enter this donation link, copy this donation link in your description. And there is also alert feature. You can add coins sound for donation and doorbell sound for subscription. So basically this is a pop-up that going to pop up on your screen when you are live streaming. And there is also a donation ranking feature, so the people who donated in your live stream will show up on your donation on your live stream. So you can add this, and you can also set the goal on your live stream. So basically you get a lot of great templates. You just have to set the amount of subscribers or donation that you want to set for the live stream. And like this you can add amount of subscribers and donation for your live stream. And after that you can set the messages according to your need, if you want to show up the messages on your screen or not. And you can also customize all of these tools or whatever, these cool pop-ups on your screens for portrait and as well as the landscape. And you can see I'm just setting these things. So basically this is what your live stream looks, and then you have to go to the partner streamer. So basically it's gonna enable some features for your live streams. So you just have to enter your specification and why you want to get this membership. You have to submit this, and when you are done with all of these settings, you are good to go for your live streams. And you just have to click on live to get live, and you are live on YouTube or Twitch or whatever social media. So yeah, this is how you can live stream from dual screen recorder. And if you want to add overlays and other cool things on your live stream, you can do this. You just have to download my live stream pack, and you will get a live stream overlay in the pack. And if you want to add the overlay in your live stream, you just have to go to settings in dual screen recorder, and in the settings you just have to go to the watermark for live stream and add your overlay. And you can easily edit all of the things in live stream pack with any kind of image editor on Play Store. You just have to add your text in the stuffs. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video. And there is also similar apps like dual screen recorder to live stream, like Streamlabs. You can also check this app. It have also amazing features like dual screen recorder for your live streams. And you can also try the live stream option in AZ screen recorder. And yeah, this is all about this video. Thank you for watching. Peace.